Yo, what is up? What is going on, guys? Today is Thursday, and today, guys, we're back with another video. And today, guys, I'm gonna keep it real to you. Today was a small, like a very small win, and when I mean by small win is I only won $20 today, okay, guys? Cause I got in, I got out. Cause I didn't like it. I pushed the button, right? I pushed the buy button and then I was like, oh no, I didn't like it, so I immediately closed out. Um, and the reason why I closed out, I'll show you. So I'll go over it, right? So coming into today, right, I woke up around right here, and I really like this. So I missed this, right? Look at that engulfing right here. As you can see, we had a resistance, obviously, right here, right? We have a resistance right here. Um, and I really like that. I really like that engulfing to take it down, right? This happened at 6:50. And then we got this move down at 7. Um, but, I didn't want to take it because on the 15 minute, if we look on the 15 minute, um, on the 15 minute, it closed down here, right? Because it didn't engulf on this candle, but it engulfed on this candle, but it was too far to go. If see how my stop loss would have been in the fluctuation zone right here, it wouldn't be up here, but it would be down here. So I didn't like it. That's why I didn't take it. So I'm like, okay, boss, I knew that we had CPI at 7:30 again, right? So I was just like, I'm gonna just wait after CPI to get into a trade. So as you can see, this candle right here was the news. Um, so we still went down further, right? And we went up, and this is around the area that I went in and closed out the trade. As you can see, this market is really choppy, right? We got an extreme support right here, and then we got an extreme resistance right here. So it was going in a range. So it's consolidation. I don't really trade consolidation. So right off the bat, I knew, okay, like this has to be good in order for me to go in. So I saw this, first I saw this, right? And I was hesitant, honestly, because these candles were huge. So I was really hesitant because these candles were really huge. So I like this right here, this engulfing, right? But as you can see, if I'm not wrong, that if I went in right here, oh my God, I barely wouldn't have got stopped out. I mean, really, if I just got in, like even right here, right here, right here on this candle, oh, I would have got stopped out. So that's very close. So that's why I didn't go in. Um, but I went in right here, and obviously the stop is because we had this great push up after we just engulfed. We try to take it down, but price is like, nope, we want to take this up. So I went in and right here, like right here around that area. And the reason why I took out is because on the 15 minute, we engulf right here. So I'm like, okay, that's good. But it's really this second candle right here that scared me. Honestly, I'm just telling you what was going on through my mind is that this second candle scared me because it closed like this. So it didn't give me the confidence um, that I needed to, after we had this great push up, we could have came back down. I mean, it didn't have to go up, right? Price didn't have to go up. It could have came back down. Um, but it ended up going up and obviously hitting my TP1. And honestly, I really should have just held this trade. But like I said, it was consolidating, right? And really, if it wasn't consolidating, I would have held this trade, no problem. But the fact that it was consolidating, it gave me that extra, hey, yeah, I've lost so many times consolidating, like on consolidating markets that um, I just didn't want to take the risk. Like, why risk it, right? We're up for the week. We're up for the week. We don't have to trade today, right? So as soon as I hit that buy, I was like, okay, we don't have to trade today, right? It's consolidating market. We wait for better market conditions. So I closed for a small win. And yeah, that's what we did. Also, I drew out this trend line. Also, this trend line that we're in. And really, if I would have just looked at this trend line more, I could have seen that price recovered. It tried to break this trend line up, but price recovered and actually engulfed right here on the 15 minute. And let's see on the 30 minute too. Actually, on the 30 minute, really don't get really nothing. But on the 15 minute, we get something right here, and I could have took this all the way up, right, without being stopped out. And yeah, man, I mean, that's just the way it is. I could have got a re-entry at 11:15, but like I said, I wasn't even looking at the market after 11. Literally, it was 10:50, and I said I'm done looking at the market. Like right here, when it started going down again, I was like, I was just gonna consolidate. So literally, I stopped looking at the market. But if I was still on, I could have caught this trade. But like I said, it's already 11. Volume starts dying around that time. So I was like, just I don't like it. But this would have been good right here also. But it's okay though, because it's a consolidating market. I didn't lose today, right? So I'm just learning. I'm watching for these things, and just realizing, my own personality, how my own person that okay, how you say that word? My own personality. Yes, my own personality. Yeah, realizing that and seeing what best works for me, what best doesn't work for me. It's just all a learning game, right? And today, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it feels like a loss for me because literally I took this trade and oh my gosh, if I would have just held, right, that would have been 13x my money, right? That would have been 13x my money. On 10 micros, that would have been 1300. So it's like, you know, I felt like I lost today, but the reality is the truth of it is that I won today. A small win, but I still won today, right? So I won today. It don't matter how big, how small, I won, okay? A W is a W, right? When somebody beats a team, it could be NFL, NBA, soccer, you know. If they beat them, let's say for instance NBA, if they beat them by one, they still won, right? If they beat them by 50 points, they still won, right? So that's the way I look at it. Is that, hey, even though it was a small win, right? Even though this was no trading day for me, really, I still won, right? A little bit. So I'll take it, right? I'll take the win, and we come back tomorrow, which is Friday, and we'll see if the market, gives me an opportunity tomorrow, right? But as you can see, let's go to the stats. You see right here, only took one trade. Um, for $20, right? So I'm still up for the week, right? The big thing for me is I want to end the week off green, right? If I end the week off freaking with only $2 win, that's a good week, right? Because I still won. I don't want to end the week off with these red weeks, right? I don't want these red weeks. I want these green weeks because um, I'm doing something right. So yeah, man. So I just want to keep uh, going. Hopefully tomorrow we have a big win. Um, tomorrow we have a big win, and we get this. Have another $700 win. We get this to $1,000 week, and man, that would be great. That would be great. But a little short video, guys, on just to tell y'all why I took what I took and why did I get out, why I got out, and yeah, man. So if also, my Fibonacci actually helps me a lot with this, only know where to look for entry areas and stuff like that. And the other reason why I took out is because I didn't really, um, I missed this one right here because I didn't really like it. I didn't really like that close. So I wanted to come down. And man, if this one would have just closed like around here, oh boy, I would have rolled that up. No hesitation. I would have rode that up. But it just closed way too above. Um, and yeah, man, that's just the reality of trading. But as you can see, it was a good day today, right? It was a good day. Um, and just looking at the market, observing the market, how the market moves during this time. And yeah, man. So I'll update y'all tomorrow for the last trading day of the week. Let's close out this week, guys, with the winning week. Let's close it off right. And so yeah, I'll be with y'all tomorrow. Um, if y'all like this video, guys, please like, share, subscribe. If you learned something, and I'll be back with y'all tomorrow. Okay. So without further ado, always remember, guys, that Jesus loves you. Peace.